You've heard that AI agents can automate your business, but every time you look into it, you run into terms like API integration and vector databases. It feels like you need a computer science degree just to get started. But here's the reality in 2026. The no-code AI agent builder market has grown so fast that building a production-ready agent now takes longer to describe than it does to actually build. Today, we're showing you how anyone can build powerful AI agents without writing a single line of code. So, what exactly is a no-code AI agent builder? It's a tool that lets you create autonomous software by dragging, dropping, and describing, not coding. Gartner predicts that by 2026, 80% of low-code tool users will be people outside of formal IT departments. A genuine builder lets you define goals, connect data sources, and set actions visually. Platforms like N8N, Make, and Zapier Central are leading the way, allowing you to handle the strategy while the AI handles the complex reasoning. What can you actually build without code? The range is wider than you might think. You can build customer support agents that handle Tier 1 inquiries 24/7 and only escalate when necessary. Sales agents that research prospects and draft personalized emails automatically. Operations agents that process invoices and monitor inventory, and content agents that summarize reports and repurpose content across social media. Each of these follows a simple pattern: one narrow, high-volume task with a clear success metric. Which builder should you choose? N8N is the open source leader, with 70% of its new users being non-developers. Make offers deep integration for marketing and sales teams. Zapier Central is the easiest for absolute beginners with its pre-built templates. And Gumloop even lets you build agents by simply describing what you want in plain English. Data from Google Cloud and PwC shows that using these specialized tools succeeds 67% of the time, far higher than trying to build custom agents from scratch. The verdict is clear: no code is more than enough. You don't need to be a developer to build an AI agent that saves your business 15 to 20 hours per week. You just need to understand 4 simple concepts: triggers, data sources, actions, and feedback loops. Pick a tool, choose a repetitive task, and build your first agent today. Once you see that first win, you'll wonder why you ever thought you needed a developer to begin. Visit our site for the full guide and start your automation journey now.